Okay, hello everybody. How's it going? Good. Okay, let's do some just quiz of the audience just to get some engagement and see where everyone's at. Who here works with data analytics? Okay, a lot of people actually, yeah. So what do people do in data analytics? Just by show of hands or like, is there a data analyst, data scientist, machine learning engineer? Okay, so I guess the next question is like, what does a data analyst do? Analyze. Okay, yeah, analyze. Okay, so with what type of? So they're typically analyzing data in like a structured format, right? Like a CSV file, an Excel file, and then what type of tools do you use to analyze data? Pandas, Excel, R. Tons of tools, right? So, okay, so who here has heard about the massive job loss that we're all imminently facing, right, due to AI? Okay, yeah, so I wanted to build an AI analyst. So I used Claude Code I can just run the app like this, right? So I just run Streamlit, runs up the Streamlit app. So I have this data set here of Amazon e-commerce data. So I have this file is called top seller controller. So this is like anyone plays video games, right? These are the top selling controllers on Amazon. So you have the title of the controller, you have the ASIN, which is like an Amazon serial number. You have the sales rank, so the #1 sales rank would be the most high-selling controller, the monthly sold, the high price, the low price, the review, and the number of offers. So my app, what it does is you upload a data file, so I'm uploading top seller controller here, and it automates the interpretation of that data file. So just like you could pay an analyst $80,000 a year, plus benefits, plus time off. You know, he has to take bathroom breaks. He has to do all of these. You know, he's very pampered, but like an AI analyst can work 24/7 and generate these pretty killer insights. So if we look at these insights, right, it's telling me the average price spread, the sales concentration, the competition. So it calculated, this is connected to like an LLM model in the back that I've downloaded locally, so Qwen, but it could be OpenAI model or Anthropic model. So it's generated this competition tier metric, and it's recommending to me as the CEO, right, that look, I need to investigate some of the outliers. I need to target high volume products for competitive analysis. I need to, low competition density suggests room for new entrants, right? That's a pretty targeted insight. And so now I've got this nice pretty dashboard of the key metrics, right? CEOs and executives love metrics. So I've got these metrics here, and I've got a nice data visualization right here. So the types of sellers and their buy box distribution. So that's something specific to Amazon sales. And here it's told me the top 10 products by revenue. So it's giving me basically, that's also a helpful insight for me to know what the top sellers are in the category. So that's basically, there are some data quality issues, which is always going to be an issue, right? That's kind of the 80% of the work of a data scientist is like data cleanup. So, there's still that to contend with, but overall, this is like a pretty cool use of AI to, help or replace an analyst. So thank you so much.